Meaning of Hugh MacDiarmid.
Hugh MacDiarmid.
Hugh MacDiarmid.
Hugh MacDiarmid.
Hugh MacDiarmid. Hugh MacDiarmid was the pseudonym used by Christopher Murray Grieve, a Scottish poet and essayist. He was a leading figure of the Scottish literary renaissance of the 20th century and wrote about his country's culture, politics, and language. His works were often characterized by their use of the Scots language and their exploration of Scottish identity. MacDiarmid was particularly interested in the concept of synthetic Scots, a literary language that blended elements of Scottish English with Scots dialects. His legacy is that of a prolific and influential writer who had a profound impact on Scottish literature and culture.